Hi everyone, I'm Luis Alvarez, Aquash co-founder. Today I want to introduce you to an innovative new product in our C-Extend line, New Volumizing Mist. What sets this product apart from any other styling spray is that it allows you to style in waves, curls, and volume with zero crunch. In fact, we're going to show you how new C-Extend Volumizing Mist gives you and your customers 3 ways to wave. Aquash educator Trisha Gonzalez is going to show you how easy it is to blow style in soft, loose waves with new C-Extend Volumizing Mist. She wraps the hair around her Aquash natural boar bristle round brush and blow styles. When finished, she coils the section into a large pin curl. She clips the pin curl in place with a single prime clip. Trisha now repeats the technique on the second section. She continues drying in this manner, drying individual sections toward the crown. After all the hair is dry, she removes the clips. Trisha delicately combs through each section with a wide tooth comb. She adds the finishing touch with her fingers. Volumizing Mist delivers hold, control, texture, and strand definition with zero crunch. On curly hair, we recommend applying a generous amount of Volumizing Mist. Coil each strand around your finger to enhance curl formation. Coil each section from roots to ends so strands will remain united while drying. When finished, spray one last time to be sure each strand is evenly saturated. We recommend either allowing the hair to air dry naturally or diffusing with your dryer set on high heat and high airflow. Gently squeezing the hair after it's dry will help merge curls together, encouraging soft, natural expansion and movement. Volumizing Mist delivers perfectly defined and united strands with zero crunch. Next, we'll show you how to create what we call cheater curls. With wide horizontal sections starting at the nape, take small subsections and coil each one individually to define a curl pattern. Coiling each section in opposite directions will make the style look more random and organic. Because the style features a side part, we direct the hair on the heavy side of the part so that it sweeps to the side. Be sure to lightly spray C-Extend Volumizing Mist over all of the hair to ensure even distribution from roots to ends. Delicately dry the hair in place without disturbing the newly molded curl pattern. When finished, gently squeeze the hair to soften and unite strands while creating lift at the base. So now New Volumizing Mist gives customers with straight hair an alternative styling option they never thought was possible. Beautiful curls that look natural, soft, and organic. C-Extend Volumizing Mist is your new secret weapon for creating ultimate curls and waves quickly and easily. All the texture, zero crunch.